Hi, my name is Sergey. Let me get straight to the point. You can see here's your website, and what I really like about it is that you provide a lot of different services right here. You see home improvement, remodeling, construction, demolition, electrical, plumbing, and so on and so forth. And I think that I like is you have a phone number, is visual, and the email how to contact you. And this is about it. So I can tell you as a user, it's pretty hard for me to navigate through the different services and understand, why would I hire you compared to your competitors. So let me put your website on one of my tools to see what kind of traffic you get from Google search, for example. And I see that there's no data for your site and no keywords that you are ranking for in Google. Um, to show you what it means to rank in Google, let's just do a quick Google search and put home remodeling, Woodlands Hills, California. So this is what happens whenever you rank pretty good in Google. You would see your website up here. This is called Map Pack. And here's 3 positions. What's interesting here that one of the company here don't even have a website and they're still in second position, meaning that it's probably not a lot of competition to get on this second position, so it can be done pretty easy. And then after that you see the organic traffic displayed by Google. This is Yelp, Home Advisor, AngelList, and this is the first competitor that is on top of the first page in Google organically. Looking them up, they don't even have a website. They're actually already out. So that just tells me there's not much competition going on in your niche. So it will be easy for you to get on this first page. So let's take a look at the second one. The second one have a video on their website. They have a phone number. I see a couple of things that they can improve on their website, and see a contact form, and it's only all the way on the bottom. But anyways, let's take a look at them, how they're doing in Google search by using my tools. Here how they're doing, they're not doing great either, but you see a little more going on than in yours. So this is organic keyword that they are ranking for. And those are Dream Home Remodeling, which is their name, so it doesn't count, to be honest. Here is a good keyword, Home Remodeling California, but they on a 42nd position, so they're pretty easy to beat. To be honest, let's take a look at your other competition here. Your other competition is Dream Home Remodeling. I'm already looking. RL Remodeling is the next one in the list. Pretty good looking website. Everything is flashy, so it probably loads very slow. Anyway, so let's take a look at them on the background. Let's look at the overview. So here I see a pretty strong website, a lot of backlinks, referring domains, and a lot of organic keywords. And organic traffic, look at this. They have about 300 people getting there every month on their website, and imagine how many jobs they close and get paid for. So anyway, this is how they've been found. Remodeling contractors near me, they're in position 7. Parallel remodeling doesn't matter to us. Backyard remodel, they're in position 12. Home remodel contractor. You get the point. Let's see the location specific Los Angeles, California, bathroom remodeling Los Angeles, California. Then 11 spots, so that's how they get their traffic. You see, this is what you need to strive to get. You need to get many people coming to your website looking for these services: kitchen remodel, home remodeling. You get the point. So let's see what you can do to do that. First, I wanted to say you should focus on one or two different services for your website to indicate to Google that you're expert in it, and you need to come up with a good amount of the content. It's recommended at least 1,500 to 2,000 words containing those keywords that we were just talking about: the remodeling, kitchen remodeling, bathroom remodeling, and so on and so forth. Another thing is you would need to do a little bit, I would suggest to do a little bit reorganizing how you have the services, to have a drop down with your services, so it's easy for people to navigate. Google likes when everything is organized and when it's oriented to people looking at the site. And after that, we can look in. You should look into creating some power to your website by creating some links, backlinks, and having somebody referring to you, called referring domains. So some other sites should be mentioning your site and use some anchor words where that indicates to Google that that website is trusting you in the niche they mention you, and that would indicate that Google should be showing your site first compared to others. And this is kind of where you can get to. You can get to up to a few hundred searches per month to words that relate to your business. Another thing I wanted to point out, since your site is pretty new, it's only been around, I think, for about 2 months. You check your domain, so maybe I think it's a good idea to focus on your local area rather than the whole Los Angeles. I would focus on Woodland Hills, as it's easier to dominate that area, and also there's pretty good amount of searches. Look here, if we just look at the Woodland Hills, kitchen remodeling Woodland Hills, 100 searches last month. Bathroom remodeling Woodland Hills, 100 searches last month. So I'm pretty sure you can come up with maybe 10, 15 keywords that altogether will get you to about 1,000, 2,000 searches per month just for Woodland Hills. So you don't have to even compete with Los Angeles companies. I think that's about it for right now. Let me know if you would like to discuss further or you have any questions for what I said about. Thank you and have a good evening.